Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite with VPN. If you want smoother Fortnite match or to play with friends in another region, here is how to do it easily with NordVPN. Our discount link is in the description. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. A VPN lets you connect to Fortnite servers in other countries. With NordVPN, you can change your location to find different lobbies, lower ping in some regions, or match with friend abroad. Step 1. Open the NordVPN app on your PC or console setup. Step 2. Login. Step 3. Pick a country or server location you want to play from, like Germany, Japan, or the US. Step 4. Click Connect. Step 5. Launch Fortnite and you'll be matched based on that server location. If you experience lag, try switching to a server closer to your real location or use NordVPN's fastest recommended option. You can also save your favorite servers for quick access. Next time, get NordVPN using our link in the description. Because we're partners, you will get an exclusive discount when you sign up. That link is always in the description. Change your region, change your name, enjoy Fortnite with NordVPN. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.